In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best soldering irons available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the soldering irons list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the soldering irons mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, S-995A divided by S-993A divided by S-997P divided by S-998P electric absorb gun. This versatile electric absorb gun series. S-995A divided by S-993A divided by S-997P divided by S-998P is a reliable choice for desoldering tasks. Available in both 110V and 220V, these guns efficiently remove solder, making electronics rework and repair more manageable. The hot air feature ensures precise and controlled desoldering, while the pump design facilitates smooth extraction. Whether you're a professional technician or a DIY enthusiast, these electric absorb guns provide the power and precision needed for effective desoldering. Number 4, Quick TS1200A Intelligent Touch Lead-Free Soldering Station. The Quick TS1200A is an advanced soldering station designed for efficiency and precision. With a powerful 120W anti-static soldering iron, this station is perfect for lead-free soldering applications. The intelligent touch interface enhances user experience, allowing for easy temperature adjustments. This soldering station is a reliable choice for intricate soldering tasks, ensuring consistent and high-quality results. Whether you're working on electronics, circuit boards, or other soldering projects, the Quick TS1200A provides the performance and features required for professional soldering. Number 3, Pinecil Pinecil V1 Smart Mini Soldering Iron. The Pinecil V1 V1 is a smart and portable mini soldering iron designed for welding tasks. Featuring a Type-C connector, this soldering iron offers convenience and compatibility with modern devices. The constant temperature control ensures a stable and reliable soldering experience. With its intelligent maintenance features, the Pinecil V1 is an excellent tool for various applications, providing the flexibility and precision required for efficient soldering on the go. This soldering iron's link in description. You can check more information and buy here. Number 2, SEQURE S20 Precision Electronic/Phone Repair Nano Soldering Iron. The SEQURE S20 is a precision nano soldering iron tailored for electronic and phone repair tasks. Compatible with JBC 115 solder tips, this soldering iron delivers exceptional performance. Its support for PD/QC power ensures quick heating and energy efficiency. The ergonomic design and precise control make it an ideal choice for intricate soldering work. Whether you're a professional technician or a hobbyist, the SEQURE S20 Nano soldering iron offers the precision and versatility needed for delicate electronic repairs. Number 1, Original TS101 Soldering Iron Electric Adjustable Temperature. The original TS101 soldering iron is a digital mini USB solder station with adjustable temperature settings. Equipped with a 24V3A power supply, this soldering iron ensures efficient and reliable performance. It is an upgraded version of the popular TS100, featuring enhanced temperature control and stability. The compact design and USB compatibility make it a convenient choice for various soldering applications. Whether you're working on small electronic components or larger projects, the TS101 provides the power and precision required for accurate soldering.